From your garden to your table, we are cooking with cake this morning.
Yes, we are. And joining us with a new recipe, Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission. Good morning, and thanks for being here and for bringing us a tasty treat. What are we making today?
We are featuring salads this month on our website. We did crackers earlier this morning that go with the salad. Did you like it?
So good.
They are
really,
good.
really good.
They were one of the favorites, I think, of Shane.
Yes, I'm going to be taking any leftovers.
Yeah, you're going to be nibbling on that the rest of the day.
Hopefully there's a lot more as well, because you've really come with some great recipes so far. So what are we doing today?
We are doing an edamame salad. It's on page 15 in the Soy Foods Guide. This is a free guide. We do one each year or every other year, and it's just come out. So get your pencil and paper and we will mail that to you free. It's 30-some pages of recipes and information about why soy is good for you.
Good. This is it right here on this page. Also next to some ahi tuna recipes and all sorts of good stuff in here. So we're looking forward to it.
And so easy to make. And we were talking this morning, you know, we like salads in the summer, but sometimes we want to do something a little bit different than just the regular lettuce salad.
Sure,
so we did this one, which was a winning recipe from the Kansas State Fair. And now we're going to do this edamame cranberry salad. So I have 2 cups, well, it says a 16-ounce package, so it's about 2 cups of cooked edamame, bright green color there. You are going to add some cranberries, dried cranberries into this recipe. A little bit of flair there, perfect. You've got some feta cheese that we're going to add. These are just feta cheese crumbles. And you could add and use different cheese. So if you didn't like feta, use something different. This is fresh basil, and we'll add that. And if you've got herbs growing in your house or garden, this is a great way to use it. A little bit of pepper. And then you have what will be our dressing, and this is just vegetable oil.
Okay.
And the only ingredient in vegetable oil is soybeans. So
that's so
look
easy.
at that.
Pour it in now?
Yeah, pour it in now. How easy is this recipe? Talk about easy. And look at the color with the cranberries in there, and this is all there is to it.
Nice and refreshing on a hot day.
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely. And you could let that chill a little bit before you serve it, but easy to make and another way to have a light meal for the summer.
Nice. I love that. That is a great idea. It's so easy. Like you said, if you've got some of those herbs growing, you've already got it in your house.
You've already got it. And that, just like you said, that fresh basil, when you snip it, it does give that fresh taste to it. We are offering 2 things that if they call our office, that they'll get the Soy Foods Guide, they'll get all the recipes that we did, and on June the 8th, we invite everyone to come to Manhattan, Kansas for the National Festival of Breads. Wow. A free event from 8:30 to 4, everything for the whole family.
Nice.
Hands-on activities, and watch the bakers bake the finals. And then on about 3 o'clock, they will announce the winners. And I'm going to be featured on the stage at 11 o'clock. We're going to do 3 generations of baking with my grandchildren and daughters. And so that'll be fun, and it's a fun day. So
that's right.
Invite families to drive over to Manhattan.
Absolutely.
Charlene, you're very big on cooking with the kids, even as young as 2.
Exactly.
The chips or the flatbread that you had before, you've got some spices on there and some sesame seeds and all sorts of stuff, but it's like you throw some cinnamon sugar on there and the kids are going to be wanting to make it with you too.
Yeah.
So a lot of versatile recipes that you're bringing us here today, including this. One more time, what are we calling this? The edamame
and basil.
And basil.
Got cranberries in there, salad.
All right, whatever it is, right, paired up with a spritzer on a hot day like this, you're
bad.
all set. Thank you very much. We appreciate you, Charlene, and you can find out more information about the Kansas Soybean Commission at kansassoybeans.org. Call the number there to find out all sorts of new recipes. Important to get that soy protein in, right?
That's right, 25 grams every day.
We'll be right back.